Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of Moose Tips and Tricks. I'm Cindy, Senior Media Specialist.
And I'm Josie, Media Specialist at Moose Roofing, a roofing company based in Omaha, Nebraska.
Today, we're diving into some of the most common roofing myths, and trust us, some of these could be costing you big time.
Let's bust some myths and help you make smarter decisions about your roof. Myth number 1, if there's no leak, my roof is just fine. This one's a classic. Just because your roof looks fine from the outside or you're not seeing drops on your ceiling doesn't mean it's all good.
Exactly. Most roofing damage can't be seen from the ground. Things like worn shingles, deteriorated flashing, or hail damage can go unnoticed until it's a much bigger, more expensive issue.
Regular inspections equal peace of mind. Don't wait for a leak to get your roof checked.
Myth number 2, my roof will last 20 to 40 years no matter what. In a perfect weather, maybe, but this is Nebraska. We get hail, heavy snow, and blazing heat. Those 30-year shingles don't always make it past 20.
And that's assuming that they were installed properly in the first place, which unfortunately is not always the case.
Myth number 3, all roofing companies are the same. We wish this were true, but the truth is the roofer you choose can make or break your roof's lifespan.
At Moose Roofing, we use top-tier materials, qualified installers, and we stand by our work. And that's not something that every roofing company can say.
Myth number 4, insurance covers everything. Big one here. A lot of homeowners think storm damage automatically equals a check from their insurance company.
But claims can be denied if the roof was already in poor shape or if the damage wasn't documented properly. That's why working with a pro like Moose Roofing can make the process way smoother.
Myth number 5, you can roof over old shingles to save money.
It might seem like a budget-friendly idea, but roofing over old shingles can lead to moisture issues, extra weight, and a shorter lifespan overall. Plus, it could void your warranty. We always recommend a full tear-off for long-term performance.
Myth number 6, you only need to check your roof after a storm. Storm checks are very important, but your roof ages even on sunny days. UV rays, heat, and small critters can all do damage over time.
Make roof checks a part of your regular home maintenance routine, just like cleaning the gutters.
Myth number 7, a new roof means no more problems. Sorry, but even new roofs need love. Without proper ventilation and attic insulation, you could still see issues like condensation or mold.
Think of a new roof like a new car. It's great, but you still need to get oil changes.
Myth number 8, flashing doesn't matter that much.
Wrong. Flashing is actually one of the most common sources of leaks. It protects areas like chimneys, vents, and valleys where leaks like to sneak in. Cheap or poorly installed flashing equals major headaches later.
Myth number 9, I can DIY my own roof repairs. Unless you're trained, insured, and like heights, please don't.
Roof repairs done wrong can make things worse and even void your warranty. Make sure you call a pro.
Now you know the truth behind some of the biggest roofing myths out there.
If any of these sound familiar or you're unsure about your own roof, give Moose Roofing a call. We're here to help.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more Moose tips and tricks. See you on the next.
Bye.
Bye.